The future holds great promise for Tbelle, a growing outsourcing company as it continues to develop and provide solutions for its clients. Outsourcing has been one of the most growing industries in Cebu. Since Tbelle's inception in 2014, it aims to amplify growth through people and strategies for entrepreneurial business drives. Marking its 5th year in the industry, Tbelle celebrates with its clients and employees who they share their triumph for half a decade. To recognize this cornerstone, the retro-style anniversary gala dubbed as Be Bold, Be You was held last September 21st in Bayfront Hotel.
It's the people that makes Tbelle different because we don't just pick anyone, we make sure that they carry our values as well.
With more work opportunities given to Filipinos, business process outsourcing industries provide solutions not only to international clientele but also to the country's employment.
Number one would really be the founder. The founder is very strong in behavior and culture, and she's really like the heart of the company. And of course, everything stems from her. It's because of her vision, of her belief in the team, and of course, of how she treated everyone. And then next would be, equally important would be the employees, of course, the very loyal and dedicated employees of Tbelle, and of course the client.
Belle Wyfen, founder and CEO of Tbelle, emphasized that the company is growing bigger because of the passionate and dedicated employees of Tbelle. Belle, together with the company's Chief Operating Officer, Angelo Pates Resurreccion, are working on bringing more jobs to Filipinos.
We're actually rapidly growing. We're trying to grow our number of clients and also the number of people that we're working with inside the office. But we're actually not growing as in we're doing everything aggressively. We're still trying to maintain the quality of employees we onboard and the clients that we work with. So it's going to be a controlled, slow growth.
For MyTV Cebu, this is Litz Caballero.